Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and Vince Pukka. Angelo Carvana couldn't make it today because he's at work. We are having fun here. So today we're going to visit Qanotta Valley. It's I think from here we can go to Wardija.
Exactly, if you keep on walking, they say we can arrive to Wardija.
We're going to check an abandoned chapel, a small chapel.
Exactly.
Hopefully today he has his drone, so I'm going to abuse him a bit for you. So let's start this adventure. What do you think? Let's go.
Let's go.
It's nice, here. Look, Cara, this start. You just go past the buildings, but here there's some water, but I don't advise anybody to go in. How you heard about this place? Because I never heard about it before.
I was passing with my car, and I saw the sign Wied Qanotta, and I thought this name is not new. It's something new for us, and I thought I check on when I go home. I check on Google what it is. When I went home, I check on Google, and I saw there is a valley with a small chapel, abandoned chapel. And I told you and Angelo.
Yes,
so we can do it.
And to tell you the truth, then I remember that I saw a video of our friend, the Englishman in Malta.
Okay.
And he did this a couple of weeks ago.
Okay, all right.
From here we say hello to him and show some love because he always helps us in a way or another. So he's always welcome with us.
Good. So hello.
He should invite us one of his cooking. Now he's cooking, yeah?
Exactly. I saw some reviews of.
So if he wants to, one day he needs some judges. What do you think?
Exactly.
Englishman in Malta. If you want some judges for your cooking, yeah, he's good cook. He cooks everything. I think he has a new channel. So if you want us to come and check your food, and you have to give us beer as well. She always have beer.
Exactly.
And also he has some, I don't know, like rings. I never tried them before. It's like twisties in Malta, but from abroad. So we will taste them as well. Here we started to walk in the countryside, which is welcome as always. So everywhere you see here, there's running water by the road, and it's coming down, Pukka.
Exactly. Yeah. I thought when we just started, I thought it will be not nice, this valley, because
even me, I thought
there's a lot of traffic, building, but now it's getting better.
And the road, since it's so small, not too many, and some people cannot pass from here because there's a sign, only farmers can come in.
Exactly.
But look, Cara, how nice it is here. It's an amazing place, huh? Here we can see some running water. It's crossing the road there, and it's coming from this side here. Look how many water there is. Well, here you can see water that's crossing the road there again. A lot of running water here, fresh water. And the problem is, if I'm seeing right, look, I think we're soon going to have much more running water here because it's getting very dark.
We have our rain jacket as well.
We are prepared, and he has biscuits in the bag as well because I saw them.
Always the same, Pierre. And what do you have here to eat?
Me, since I am always on diet.
You have nothing?
I have a cereal bar. It's getting darker. And it's not dark because it's very cloudy now, and it's going to rain. Now we have a problem because we have one road here, one road there, and one road going up, and we came from this side. So we had to check with our best friend Google, that knows everything, Google, and we have to go to this side here. I think we should be very close to the church here, Pukka.
I think, yeah.
Here, there. Look how beautiful it is, the church. It's up there. And here, even from here, the views, you see the views of this valley. It's amazing, I thought it's going to be a simple walk between the countryside. but have to agree with our other friend because today is our friend, so the Englishman,
Exactly.
that it's a beautiful location and very quiet.
And that part is very beautiful here, eh? That part.
The other side, up there, oh, the rocky part. Look at the top part, how like a niche, how there's the cross.
And there's the cross, it's very nice.
Yeah, it's. I thought it's not from the outside. It was not like this. Very
It's
nice.
not big, it's small, but it's nice.
Yeah, now we have reached the chapel. Look, it has a very grown tree in front of it, so unfortunately you cannot see the coat of arms. But we have some drone footage, which you can enjoy the beauty of this small chapel.
Excellent.
Excellent, because it's from Pukka Media. Look at how nice. The door have been forced open, most probably, and here we start getting inside. This was once the door of this small chapel here, which is in ruins now. It was built in the 16th century and it was dedicated to the Nativity of Our Lady. This was its altar here, a stone altar. These two doors by the side were once connected to back rooms, to the sacristy. And here you can see there's like a dome. Oh, it's going to fall. And here it's a very small one. Unfortunately, it's full of pigeon poo. And I think this chapel can be in a better state. Look at the altar, how this. It's a pity, Once that had some paintings on its wall, because I was reading. You can see Pukka at the door, and another thing to see, Pukka, come here, look. Up here, I tried to make the best. So maybe you can see it, there's a plaque.
And something written.
1728. I will put some information below and the running by about this chapel. But there's something written around. There's on the 30th June 1717, a decree from Bishop Cannaves, not Cannaves, ordered that the chapel be dedicated to the Immaculate Conception and the feast to be held on the 8th December. So here on the 8th December, they used to do a feast. And another thing to see here if we go outside, there's a plaque. Well, here we have this plaque, non gode immunità ecclesiastica. I don't know if it was when it was being used or later. So, and here we'll go to this side. The view, as usual, from this place is amazing. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Behind me is the chapel of the Immaculate Conception, and also known as the chapel at Wied Qanotta, or in Qanotta Valley. It's a pity, as we always say, that this place is in this state. I think it should be restored as well. I think, imagine people can come here and walk and for a mass here on Sunday. With this,
it will be nice.
Plus, look, the views from here, it's amazing. This place, look. So it was me, Pierre Farrugia, and Vince Pukka. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye. We go, Pukka.
We go.
Let's go. Look at the view, huh?